Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your GoDaddy website. This is a fantastic way to make it easy for visitors to reach out to you directly through your site, whether you're running a business, a blog, or a portfolio. First, you'll want to head over to GoDaddy.com and type in your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your GoDaddy dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your website and hosting. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage all aspects of your website's content and design. Your website settings page will now open up in front of you. On the right side of your screen, locate the Edit Website button. This button is your gateway to the GoDaddy website editor, where you'll be able to make all the changes and additions you need. Click on it, and your GoDaddy website editor will open, giving you full access to customize your site. Now, to add a contact form to your website, you'll need to scroll down through your page and locate the position where you wish to add the contact form. You have the option to use an existing section if one suits your needs, or you can add a brand new section specifically for this contact form. For this tutorial, we'll add a section from scratch to show you the complete process. Click on the plus button at the top part of the section, then click on Add Section. This creates a fresh space where your contact form will live. A right side panel will open up, presenting you with a list of different elements you can add to your site. From this list, locate and click on Contact. This will reveal two options for you to choose from. From these options, click on Contact Us. You'll now be presented with several contact form templates, each with its own design and layout. Browse through them and choose the one that best fits your website's style and purpose. Once you've made your selection, click on Add at the bottom right part of the form. This will insert the contact form directly into your chosen section. Once the form is added to your page, you can customize it to match your specific needs. Click on each field within the form to edit the labels, placeholder text, and any other content you want to personalize. This ensures that your contact form asks for exactly the information you need from your visitors. Next, click on the Send or Submit button within the form. From there, click on the Contact Form tab. This is where you can change or set the recipient email address for this form. Make sure to enter the email address where you want all contact form submissions to be sent so you don't miss any important messages from your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a fully functional contact form to your GoDaddy website that will help you connect with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.